Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: different types of variables in Python programming. Right. So coming to different types of variables. So first we'll understand what is variable in Python. So variable is the name to refer a memory location which is containing a value. So basically in Python, for variables, we don't require data types because it is automatically taken based on the given value. So Python variables are of two types. First one, local variables. Second one, global variables. So local variables are those variables which are declared inside a particular function. And such variables are accessible only inside that particular function. So the scope of that variable is only inside that function. Okay, right. So I'm taking add function. Inside the add function, I'm taking three local variables, A, B, C. So I can use only inside the add function A, B, C. So after the add function, if I try to access A, B, we cannot access them outside the function, we'll get a name error. So local variables, local access inside that particular function only. Second one, global variables. So global variables are defined outside a function, okay, and they are accessible throughout the program inside or outside any function. Okay, so the scope of global variables is anywhere throughout the program. Okay, and to use a global variable inside a particular function, we have to use global keyword. Okay, if you don't use a global keyword, then Python treats that variable like a local variable. For example, I'm taking x100. After that, I'm defining f1 function. Inside the f1 function, I want to use x. So I have to declare global x. I will get reference to x100. Then I can print x. I can modify x, again print x. And I can call f1 function. So I can also access x outside the f1 function anywhere throughout the program. Okay, if I don't use global x, then x will become a local variable for f1 function. We can access x here with a local value. Okay, and we can access x here with a global value. So let us do this within the program. Same example. So Python types of variables example1.py. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program using hash. So local variables, defining a function. So to define a function, we use def keyword followed by function name and circle brackets. So colon indicates beginning of the function. So inside this function, okay, so with a tab space indentation, I'm taking A10, B20, C A plus B 30. So here A, B, C are local variables. Print C. Okay, so here I will also say print A comma B and then sum C. Now I'll call this function add function. It will go to the definition of the function ABC, print AB 1020, print C 30. Okay, right. So let us execute till here. We will put multi-line comment for the global variables part. Okay, so save it. come to the command prompt. So run the program. Python types of variables example 1. Right. Okay. So we are getting so we don't have proper indentation. So let us do proper indentation here. Okay. Right. Right. So save this program and then run it. So let us do proper indentation. Again, we are getting the error in the program. Right. So let us make some proper indentations here by taking the exact tab space from the left and defining the function, and then print a comma b and then print sum c. So save this program, come to the command prompt and run it. So ab 1020 sum is 30. So now I will try to access these two local variables outside the function. So access it here, print a comma b. So here we'll get a name error. Okay, so name a is not defined. Name means a particular variable name. Okay, so local variables have local access inside that particular function of its Python. Next we have global variables. Okay, so I'm taking global variable x 100. I'm defining a function f1. So the body of the function, I'm declaring global x. I want to access x in f1 function, print x. So x value is printed as 100. X, welcome to Python. So the global variable is changed to welcome Python, print x. Okay, and then we are calling first f1 function. So it will print x 100, x, welcome to Python, the modified value. After that, when you print x, you will get the modified value, welcome to Python. So save this and run it. So first 100, modified value inside the function, welcome to Python, and modified value outside the function, welcome to Python. So what happens if I put a comment for this? Okay, right, so now x will become a local variable for f1 function. So when you say print x, it will print welcome to Python. Okay, so call the f1 function, it will print welcome to Python. After that, when you print x here, it will print the global variable, which is 100. So save it and run. So inside the function, it is a local variable, welcome to Python. Outside the function, it is a global variable x here. Inside here, it is a local variable because we have commented the global keyword to use x inside the f1 function. So this is how we are supposed to work with different types of variables in Python program: local variable and global variable, and we have global keyword to access a global variable inside a particular function. Otherwise, it will become a local variable. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.